Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. We say that when the life, living entity is there in the seminar and it is put into the woman's womb, then body develops. The beginning is the life. It is practical. And this life is the part and parcel of the Supreme Life. That was beginning is God. Janmadasya jataha. Athāta Brahma Jnana. So we have to establish this theory in this misguided world. And besides that, why they cannot produce life from matter? What is the value of that step? That they have not been able. Where is the proof that from matter life comes?
Proof is under investigation.
That is not. That is not. This proof from life is coming, there is proof, so many proof. Man, animal, trees, everything is coming from life. Up till now nobody has seen that a man is born from a stone. Nobody has seen. Sometimes it is called Vrishchik Tandulna. You know that? Vrishchik Tandulna. Vrishchik means scorpion and Tandul means rice. Sometimes you see some heaps of rice, the scorpion is coming. But that is not that the rice has given birth to the scorpion. You have not seen in your country? We have seen it. From the rice, heaps of rice, one scorpion, small scorpion is coming. The fact is that the parent of the scorpion, they put their eggs within the rice and being fermented, the scorpion comes. Not that from rice the scorpion is coming. That's what is called Vrishchik Tandulna. Vrishchik means scorpion and Tandul means rice. So, life is coming from matter. This is called Vrishchik Tandulna. Life cannot come from matter. Besides that, just like when there is life, living entity, the body grows. Body changes or grows as you say. But if the child is dead or come out dead, then the body does not grow. Then matter is growing on life. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.